OpenAI just took their first step into agentic AI with a new feature called tasks. But don't go running for the hills screaming AI is taking over, because this is a pretty basic dip of the toe into the proverbial agentic waters. But it's a step forward nonetheless. Let me show you how it works. All you gotta do is go into ChatGPT, come up here to the top left and select ChatGPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. And then just say what task you wanna schedule. As some of y'all know, I like talking about the top story in AI. So let's say, give me the top stories in AI today on a daily basis. And it'll confirm that, saying, sure, I'll provide the top stories in AI every day. What you can do is come in here, hit these three dots and edit. And that allows you to change the name, the instructions. You can set the frequency from doesn't repeat, daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or a custom frame. And you can select the time the task is scheduled. Now to actually see all the tasks you got scheduled, go to your profile in the top right, select tasks, and you can see all of them here. And for reference, here's the first dump of all the top stories in AI, and it actually provides a nice exhaustive list. Now there's tons of different tasks you could schedule with this new feature. I'm gonna drop another video soon letting you know your top 10 tasks you need to schedule right now. For now, let me know in the comments what tasks you're already scheduling.